Ladies and gentlemen, we are back! I'm bonkers. I know I am, sorry. So, this weekend we are in Silverstone for the F1 again. Week after Austria. We're camping. Just put up the tent. Let me give you a, well, it'll be the shortest tour ever, but I'll give you a little tour quickly. There's my bill. That's what we're working with. Little chair. Tell you what, it's so comfy. So comfy. The props. It's not fully done yet, but we're working on it. And this is my little bedroom. Got my air mattress, sling bag. I'm not sure when to bring the duvet or not, but I opted for the sling bag because I think duvet would be too thick because it's too hot. So yeah, got my pillow. Let's have a little lie down. Don't you see, but oh, view from outside. So yeah, got told there's a. Actually, I don't know where the shower blocks are. I need to go and find them. Toilets, don't know, and water stations, don't know where they are. So I need to go look for that. Gonna go for some food shortly. Paris entertain from 7, but I don't think I'll be asked to see entertainment here, to be honest. I mean, it's 6:23 already, so we'll probably just go and get some food and chill for the night. Download loads of things on Netflix, so got my evening sorted when I'm not at the track. But they can see, but the track's over there. So yeah, probably only about a 10-minute walk. So yeah, next time you see me, be munching on pizza. I may have had half the pizza already. £10 cost me though, fucking rip off. Found I got all shit down my shirt. Nightmare. Good morning everybody. Oh, it's so quiet, oh, it's so quiet. Just going to Silverstone, great night's sleep. Fell asleep at 9:30, it was R6, perfect. Going under the main bridge, this is where like the drivers come under when they're coming in for the day. Was it the It was a really nice mural last year, it's all gone over it with this. I don't think it looks as good, but I'm just going to head over to where I'll be sitting, and yeah, you'll see where I'm sitting for Sunday's race. Just got to the main grandstand, well not the main grandstand, the grandstand where I'll be sitting.
I think we're all going to be learning as much as possible.
Start line's right there. Mate, I'm in a prime position
After
right
Gabriel Bortoletto and Leonardo Fornaroli secured their F3 Drivers' Championships with Trident in consecutive seasons, the team will be aiming for a hat-trick in 2025. A brand new lineup of Charlie Verts,
bought some merch. Not too much of it because it was too much, but you only live once, so you might as well buy it, you know what I mean?
With the trio hopeful of making one history. Son of former F1 driver Alexander, Verts enters his second season of F3.
Nico, I thought you were excited to have my return to the stage.
Yeah, very happy to have you back. Very nice to be here. Nice and early, 9:45. Not a bad turnout for 9:45. Thank you guys.
Pretty good showing from these fans. Welcome to the stage, guys. Gabrielle, lots of love for Steak here. Lots of love for you here, I have to say as well. Look at this. We've got signs. We've got someone here, Nico, that's got a Hulk headband. And your face. Gabby, how's it feel?
Wet hair. No, wet hair look.
Wet hair. Gabby, how does it feel to be here at Silverstone with Formula One?
Well, it feels amazing. One of obviously the most historical tracks that we have. Such an amazing place, amazing crowd, a lot of Brazilian flags around as well.
Always.
So
Always.
Yeah, and super excited for today and for the weekend.
We're going to pause for a second because I've just got the message that our other two drivers are here. So everyone, please give a warm welcome to Leah.
Sorry we're so late.
Yes, don't worry, apology accepted, it's okay. Liam, we were just talking about Austria, P6 for you, how good did that one feel?
Thank you, yeah, it was a good weekend. It's been a pretty tough year. It's very, very close at the moment. I'm sure this weekend's going to be very close as well, so yeah, just nice to have a good result, and obviously we need to try and keep building on this for the next few races.
Fantastic result.
Is there any game I'm beating Isaac today? Is there any game I'm beating Isaac today?
No games today, unfortunately, just chatting, but don't worry.
Thank God.
It's a big one.
Hello, good morning. Yes, best race weekend of the year, so let's go.
Yeah, it's a pretty special one. Oscar, the energy is crazy. There are so many fans here with signs for you.
It's nice to be back. It's my second favourite race of the year. But no, nice to be back, and I feel like this crowd gets further and further back every year we come, so.
Oz Bake Off is the vibe we're going for, so no pressure, you've got 2 minutes, and 2 minutes, oh, sorry, do you need much more? You're representing you, oh my god. You're representing your country is what I was going to say, before Lando very aggressively started doing that. I'm just gonna, Lando, what are you trying to do here?
I see now.
So you want it all over, you're not going for this approach?
No. I've got icing all over the cake.
It's alright, no, spread it in,
So bad! Wow! Can we just compare right now with Lando's, just so people can see the difference? Look how tidy this is. Wow, nice touch. Wait, Oscar, what are you trying to do now? I feel nervous.
I'm still working it out, but I've got an idea. Whether I can execute it or not is a very big ask, but we'll get there.
Who thinks that Oscar's cake is better? I think Oscar's got it, unfortunately. I don't know how, but I think Oscar's got it. Guys, thank you so much for joining us up here and taking part.
Six little so it's important that they do that to give it a chance during the season. The drivers themselves, but it's not the team saying, okay, we're going to penalise X. When we got to this point last year, only got one career victory, and Oscar Piastri had none, and now also this time last year we were talking about entry list hadn't changed, and then things did start to change. First Williams with Logan Sargent just at the end of last season, but at the start of this significant
Practice one is now done. Got a bit peckish, so we've got some scram. 15 quid this was. Smack well. 15 bloody quid. It's a joke really, I think. But it's what it is among it, so. Right, so just got back from the day at the circuit. That's all weird. Come back, had some dinner. I got back to my tent and it bloody collapsed. I think I've sorted it now. I don't know why. I slept it fine last night and now it's just fell. I don't know if the wind has picked up a bit. I think it has a little bit, but fingers crossed it will stay up and upright. I've tightened a few of the pegs, so hopefully that'll keep it intact. Just to let you know earlier, I've got let me show you. So while I was doing the drive interviews, Nico Hulkenberg, the legend, once they're done, they were like throwing hats at the crowd, and Harold got one. Look at that. I haven't actually adjusted it yet, but it might be a bit small, but yeah, and signed by him himself. Look at that. Can't turn down free merch, mate. That's all I'm saying. Let me actually get this on. Look at that. Fresh as a daisy. So yeah, that was a nice surprise. Lando's P1 in practice 2. Not bad. So yeah, I've had enough for today. I'm annoyed. So I'm going to go to bed, cool down, and go back again tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, it is qualifying day. So yeah, it's qualifying day. Just woken up, got dressed, showered, brushed my teeth, deodorant. Yeah, good night's sleep. It was raining during the night though. I don't know if you see any few drops there. I think it's kind of dried up now, but it's a bit cloudy this morning, so I've got a jumper on. Lucky I'd have to put sun cream on this morning. Yeah, so about to head to the track. Got 2 races today: F3 and F2 sprint race, F1 practice, and F1 quali. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully Lando can stick on pole. Yep, see you at the track.
Surprising to see him struggling. And then 4th on the grid is number 20 of
Marjorie as well, just saying.
Success winning F4 championship. Down the inside, so he moves through. That's a village corner.
They come around now.
Second place, but coming up to find out. On that between car, 9 others and pile up behind them. On the way through the loop, 2 cars off. One of them is a Red Bull livery car, just rejoining now. So that's either going to be Tracknets, and we got the.
So, just got back from the circuit for the day and just had dinner. Good news, everybody. It's still up. My expertise have kept this thing up. Home sweet home, ladies and gentlemen. So, let's do a recap of the day. So we kind of did like a whole loop in the end. Sat a few stands. You probably see different views of videos of different views, so that's why, because I went in like a circle. And then got a pizza. Didn't record that though. Don't know why. It's quite nice actually. It was 13 quid I think. So Max was first, unfortunately. But then Oscar and Lando P2 and P3, so not all bad. So we'll wait and see tomorrow. Gonna watch some films because it's only like, well, not films. I've got series downloaded. It's only 5 o'clock now, so I've literally got to do nothing. Got nothing to do until later on. So yeah, you'll probably see me. I don't know when you'll see me next. You'll see me soon though. Probably I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, it is roasting. Yeah. So just woken up. Got my tent stuff. Well, no, my bed and stuff. All prepared to. I'm gonna, like, what's the word? I can't think what the word is. Dismantle. Got to dismantle the tent before I go to the circuit, otherwise I can't be bothered to do it when I come back. Just watched some Depth Q. I've already seen the ending, but I haven't seen any of the other stuff, so I'm watching that now. Just eat my fruit, my breakfast. Yeah, it's going to be rainy today, which I hope will make for a good race. Let's have a look at the weather app. Yeah, look at that. So the race starts at 3. Oh, what's happened? No. 10%, but 45% at 12 o'clock. Hopefully you don't like dry out. If there's no sun it shouldn't do, but we will see. So yeah, have my breakfast and we will head to the circuit. Hopefully it's going to be a good race. It was last year, so hopefully it will be this year. So yeah. It's raining, it's pouring now, man. Just got to the F3 race. It was raining, but now it's stopped. But yeah, this is the start. Everyone's on like mixed tyres, so this could go horribly wrong, but we'll have to wait and see. It's about loud, but I know this. Last car's just coming up now.
It's going to be James Henley at the second centre. He's going on to slick, which is interesting. He's opting for the slick time. And the drivers on the grid now will wait for the 5 lights to go red. It is the sprint race in the FIA.
Start. I think the guy from D4 going first after turn 1. Treacherous conditions on us. The 3 race got postponed, so go away another 50 minutes after the F2 race starts. So puddles, mate.
back out the way. Big slide from Armstrong at the end of it. We're racing again.
Come on. He's never got phone before. Come on, Hulk. Come on. Yes. Yes, Hulk. Come on.
The British Grand Prix trophy will be presented by the Right Honourable Lisa Nandy, Secretary of State for Culture, Media and Sport. Who is now presented with the Lego Trophy by Mohammed Ben Sulayem, President of the FIA, and Norris's 10th podium of the year. To the winning driver, Lando Norris. To the winning constructor, McLaren Formula One team, the trophy presented by Luke Drake, Senior Vice President of Sponsorship and Events for Qatar Airways, presented to Peter Hodrelu, the Technical Director of Aerodynamics. To the second place driver, Oscar Piastri, his 11th podium this year. The trophy presented by Stephanie Peacock, Minister for Sport. And to the third place driver, Nico Hulkenberg, his first podium in his 18th. Congratulations, gentlemen. And now at your feet is the champion!
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this vlog's about to come to an end. What a weekend it's been, what a race. Hulkenberg podium. The one weekend he gives me, I get this hat off him. He gets a podium. He hasn't got a podium in 238 races since he started F1. And the weekend I get a hat off him, he goes and gets one. So, yeah, fair play to Hulkenberg and my man Lando. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. 4 weekends, 2 weekends in a row, 2 Lando wins. Yeah, I need a break though. So yeah, see you in Belgium, ladies and gentlemen. Boom!